Ever wished you could create thumbnails that grab attention without spending hours designing them? Imagine doing it in just minutes. And no, this isn't a dream. Today I'm going to show you how to use AI to create professional quality thumbnails, all with one tool called VidIQ. But wait, that's not all. It has a secret feature that lets you make thumbnails that really pop with just one click. Stick around, because I'll give you a full walkthrough and a complete review at the end. Let's face it, no matter how great your video is, if your thumbnail doesn't grab attention, most people will just scroll past. On YouTube, your thumbnail is critical. It's often the only thing viewers see before deciding to click. A well-designed thumbnail can make a huge difference in your views, while a weak one can bury even the best content. VidIQ can help you create thumbnails quickly, but it's not magic. The key is the prompt you give it. A detailed prompt gives better results. A vague prompt gives generic results. Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to write prompts that work and get thumbnails that actually grab clicks. Alright, let's jump into the process. First, head into the VidIQ interface. Click Create and then select Thumbnails. This opens VidIQ's thumbnail creation dashboard, and this is where the magic happens. I've been using VidIQ for a while, and it does an impressive job. Thumbnails are generated in just a few seconds. But here's the important part, the prompt. VidIQ's AI is powerful, but it's not mind-reading. The more detailed and accurate your prompt, the better the thumbnail will look. If your prompt is vague, you get generic results. A specific visual prompt describing mood, colors, composition, and objects gives much better results. I've already prepared a visual prompt describing exactly how I want the thumbnail to look. Paste it in and click Create. VidIQ will generate several options in seconds. As you can see, VidIQ has generated a few thumbnails. Some are great, some not exactly right. You can tweak your prompt and try again. For example, I use dark red as a background. You could try dark blue, dark purple, or any color you like. You can also add an image or a specific object. VidIQ will include it in the thumbnail. You can even specify exact text. This gives you full control over visuals and messaging. Experiment with prompts until you get thumbnails that truly stand out. VidIQ has a reference feature. You can upload a video or link a YouTube video as a reference. VidIQ tries to match the style. I tested it many times. Honestly, it's hit or miss. It often doesn't fully match the reference, and sometimes just fakes the style. So don't rely on this feature too heavily. A more powerful option is connecting VidIQ to your YouTube channel. Once connected, VidIQ can read your videos. You can write a prompt inside your channel, and VidIQ generates thumbnails already tailored to your video. You can still use a detailed prompt for visuals, background, objects, face, and text. Click Upload Thumbnail, and VidIQ updates it directly to your video. No downloads, no extra tools. This makes thumbnail creation fast, convenient, and easy. Let's wrap up. VidIQ is fast, flexible, and convenient. You control background, objects, composition, and text. When connected to your channel, thumbnails are relevant to your video content. You don't need extra tools. Limitations. The reference feature can be unreliable. Results depend heavily on your prompt. Complex or highly creative designs may still need manual editing. So is VidIQ worth it? Absolutely. If you want speed, convenience, and solid thumbnails fast. If you need highly artistic or custom designs, you might still need other tools. Overall, VidIQ is a strong tool for most creators. Use detailed prompts, experiment with visuals, and leverage channel integration for the fastest and most relevant results. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out some of my other videos on the channel. And if you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss any new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.